Imagine standing at the edge of your career and staring where to begin. That was me just a few months ago. But today I am in the logistic industry, learning from the best. Let me take you on this journey. Hi, I am Anjali Singh, a graduate in Management Studies specializing in Aviation Services and Air Cargo. And currently I am working as an apprentice at RIVIGO by Mahindra Logistics. And trust me, it's an incredible journey. The first day at RIVIGO was not like I expected. It was not only moving the goods from one place to another, but it was all about the strategy, precision and speed. I realized the logistics is the backbone of every industry and I am going to be a part of it. Here, I don't just sit and observe. I make decisions, solve problems and take actions. I have learned how to manage fleets, optimize delivery routes and even tackle with the last mile delivery challenges. The adrenaline rush when the shipment is on move and everything depends on execution. Trust me, the feeling is priceless. One day, we had an urgent shipment, a high value delivery that has to be reached on time. There were delays, weather issues and technical glitches. My team and I had to think fast, strategize and execute under pressure. And guess what? We made it. That was the moment I knew, this is where I belong. The apprenticeship is not just the job, it's the gateway to the future. My degree gave me the knowledge, but the experience gave me the path to create the impact. If you are a student wondering how to break in logistics industry, this is it. The Apprenticeship Embedded Degree Program is your chance to get a real-world experience with the study. It makes you job-ready, future-proof and unstoppable. This is just the beginning. The logistics industry is evolving with AI, automation and sustainable solutions. And I want to be a part of that evolution. Watch this space because the logistics industry has just gained with one more passionate professional. Thank you for watching this journey. If my story inspires even a one person to take a leap, it's all worth it. Let's keep moving forward together.